In this video, I'd like to share with you a very simple practice to help revitalize, brighten, and rejuvenate your energy. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. Here's a very short, simple, very easy exercise that you can do anytime. Just remember to breathe deeply, naturally, allow your qi to move, warm up your body, and just listen to your body. If you feel like going a little faster, you can speed up. If you feel like going a little slower, you can slow down. Just listen, tune in, and enjoy the feeling of flow in the body. Begin in what's called the ready position, where your feet are flat on the ground, knees are slightly bent, lower back is flat, and your arms are gently resting at your side. Just take 3 deep natural breaths and allow your body, mind, and spirit to gently relax. Good, and relax. Now take a little bit of a wide stance and breathe in as your hands come up the center of your body. Turn your palms outwards and breathe out as your hands go out and around and sink your weight down. Breathing in, hands go up, push against the sky, and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As your body warms up, you can sink a little bit deeper and stretch a little bit higher, invigorating the shoulders, the back, and the legs. But just listen to your body, find the flow, relax your shoulders and neck and back. Last one, hands coming up the center, turn, push up to the sky, and exhale. Good. Next exercise, shake out the body a little bit. Hands come up the center, palms turn to face each other. Open the hands as if you're hugging the world. And hands come back to the center. Palms turn downwards, hands go down. Breathing in, nice big breath. Inhale and breathe out. You can make one long breath, so you may have to adjust how fast your arms are moving, so you can time it with your breath. But if you feel like it, you can take several breaths. This exercise is excellent for opening the chest, relaxing the shoulders and neck, promoting good breathing, relaxing the heart. If you notice you're holding on to any tension, any worries, anything from the past, it's okay to let it go for now. Good, and last one. Nice big long breath, breathing in, inhale, and breathing out. Exhale. Wonderful. Good, relax your body. Last exercise, push and turn at the waist. Push from one hand forward, pushing the palm forward. When your arm is extended, turn your waist slightly. Pull your hand back to your waist. With your other hand, push your hand forward, turn. And alternate your hands, turning, pushing the palm forward. Now, how far do you want to turn? What is your body telling you? Do you feel like you need to turn further, faster, slower? At all times, you can keep your core muscles around your abdomen, your waist, your back, engaged and active. This exercise is good for the kidneys, the dantian, or the energy center below the belly button. It's good for the shoulders, the neck. It's good for the hips. And it's good for what's called proprioception. This is your ability to find balance, physical balance, and to be able to navigate yourself in space. Good, last one on each side. Pushing the palm forward, keeping your hand open, allowing the energy to be accepted into your hands. Good, and come back to the center. Rowing the boat, final exercise. I mean it this time. Hands come forward, pushing your hands backwards, out and around. Pushing your hands down, back, out and around. Breathing out as your hands go down. Breathing in and out. This will help to rejuvenate, refresh, uplift, and brighten your spirit. Good, 2 more. Nice big in-breath. And breathing out. Last one. Breathing in. Breathing out. Coming back to that ready position with your arms at your side. And just hold here for a few moments. Relax your body. Release any bit of tension that's in your physical body from your head, neck, shoulders, back, abdomen. Release any tension from your legs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet. Release any excessive emotion that you have on the past or any worries in the future. Just be here for a few more moments. And take a big in-breath. Breathe in. And breathe out. And you're all done. You can practice this simple Qigong routine daily, in the morning or in the evening, whatever fits your schedule. Just let yourself be relaxed, breathe deeply, let your qi flow, and just always listen to your body. Our body, our mind, our spirit wants us to be healthy. Sometimes it sends us little messages and we just have to be patient and attentive enough to hear this. If you like this approach and this style of Qigong, come join us in the Communi-Qi. Here we have many different Qigong practices similar to this, some longer, some shorter, some more focused on specific areas. We have our new program called Full Body Flow, where we stimulate each and every internal organ and meridian. And we also have the 30 days of Qigong. So if you're brand new to Qigong or you're experienced and you just want to deepen your practice, please come join us. I'd love to see you there. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.